Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into the video on this 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. This video is just going to give you an overall view of some of the higher features of this car. And then we'll do a quick walk around, look at the condition of all the wearable items and any dents or imperfections that the unit may have. Starting up front, classic Jeep styling here. Got the 7-slot chrome outline grille. You have your aggressive, narrow Cherokee headlights that have sort of made this car pretty identifiable on the road. You have your fog lights inlaid into the lower bumper there. Moving around to the side, you have a 17-inch alloy rim mounted up with a brand new, these are brand new, we just got these Black Lion tire, so you shouldn't have to worry about tires for a good long time on that. If you look underneath there, I said I was going to go over wearables at the end, but here we are at the beginning looking at them. But this brake rotor is brand new as well, and pads. So new tires, new brake rotors, new pads. You shouldn't have to do any maintenance on those items for years to come. Continuing back the side, you have your chrome Cherokee lettering. Matching brand new tire and alloy rim there in the back. Here in the back you have your Latitude badging. You can see your backup camera here in the rear hatch. If you come down here, you have a tow hitch with the 4-pin wiring to do basic trailer lighting. You can see your chrome-tipped exhaust right there. Once again, your matching alloy rim and tire. I'll just jump in here, show you some of the features of this car. As you can see here, you have power windows, locks, and mirrors there on the door. Stepping in, you got your basic Bluetooth controls here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, your cruise controls on the right, both your standard turn signal selector and your windshield wipers over here. We will start the car up. Every car here does come with two, at All Things Automotive, comes with 2 keys. This particular car, that is a $300 value. Pretty big deal. Check the competition. They do not always come with 2 keys, and it is way more significant than a lot of people think. This car does have remote start. Tap the lock button twice, hit the remote start twice, and the car will fire up. Just put the key in there, twist it, and put my seatbelt on so it stops dinging. Alright, car has 45,196 miles at the time of the video. Might have 1 or 2 more rolling around for gas, but you should expect it somewhere in that mileage. Over here you have your standard Chrysler UCONNECT radio. You can hook your phone to this and then play Bluetooth audio through your phone. Also has AM/FM radio, integrated compass, and all your climate controls here. It does have a heated steering wheel and heated seats. Pretty cool feature on this car. The heated steering wheel is awesome in the winter. Looking down here, have your selector for 4-wheel drive and terrain selector, so you can go between automatic 4-wheel drive or set it for snow, sport, or sand or mud. Have slots for an SD card as well as USB port and your standard 12-volt DC plug-in there. Electronic parking brake. Jumping out, we'll just show you the back seat real quick. This is considered a smaller SUV, but there's still plenty of room here in the back. This is identical to the front, but I forgot to mention it. They are black, premium black cloth seats with sort of a gray insert, and then a tan accent stitching really kind of gives them a nice sharp look to them. Show you inside the rear hatch here. Oop. Got plenty of room there. Nice WeatherTech mat here in the hatch to keep that all very clean. Alright, we're just going to do a quick walk around, show you any of the dents, stings, imperfections that the car may have. Overall, the vehicle seems to be pretty darn clean to me. We make sure we repair everything to the top standard. On this unit, I don't believe there were any dents that needed to be taken out, but looking up here to the side, they don't appear to be any dents there. All 4 rims are in very good condition, not really any scuffing, scraping, anything like that. Like I said, the tires are brand new, the brakes are brand new. A little bit of chipping up here on the front bumper. Right there you can see if you get in close. Overall, very, very minor. A couple little ones on the hood as well. If you'd like to take a look at the car in person, you can come check us out at 21518 Great Cove Road. Keep checking us out online at thomasata.com. Give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you found the video to be helpful.